Hi everyone, I'm here looking at the screen and it's official, Kimi on the pole and Max starting P11. If you had told me that this morning, I wouldn't have believed you. And I know everyone is losing their mind. But look, we have been there before, right? We watched Sir Lewis go through the same phase. I understand it's wild to see rookies outdriving the legends, but is it really that shocking to you? So before we call it a fluke, we have to ask if the Red Bull era actually over. If you're a Ferrari or McLaren fan, got to be loving this. Let's break down the madness of a wild Saturday at Suzuka. First thing first, very congratulations to Lindblad and Hazza for out qualifying Max. You are now on the map, and we all see you. Great driving, good pace. What just happened to Leclerc? I don't understand. In Q1, he has everything. He has pace, the driving, the experience. Everything was perfect, and he did it. He was on provisional pole, but something happened on Q3. Also, if Leclerc has that pace in the Ferrari, why Sir Lewis is still struggling to get it out? He has the best experience at Suzuka. So I call it a circuit of experience. Then why he is not performing? Even Max in that case. So little bit disappointed. And the things I was keep talking about, the McLaren boys. McLaren boys did it again. Oscar was awesome. Although he's performing since practice session qualifying, although he's third, it is the best. I think he can do it. I love him. Keep going. Give your best tomorrow. Also, just wanted to mention that I want to keep 2 seconds, not 2 minutes, okay, 2 seconds of silence for Aston Martin. What's happening to them? Is Alonso that unlucky? I also mentioned in my previous video that this season will not be predictable, and it is still giving me that vibe that it is not going to be predictable. Everyone on the track in each point of qualifying, Q1, Q2, Q3, all laps, it was balancing that curiosity that who is going to be on the pole. First, everyone was keep telling that Russell will be the champion this season, and he will be. I'm not telling he will not. I'm not against it, but the thing is, Kimi out qualifying Russell, for me, it's a best thing to see. And also, if anyone like Leclerc was also good in his last lap, till the last lap of the qualifying, we have that energy in the race, in the qualifying, that someone can out qualify or take the pole from Kimi. For me, it was a great to see because I want that kick, and that's why I watch Formula One. It has that uncertainty, I call it, but I love that, and it's really good. For me, it's a really good season. I am loving it, and I'm hoping you will love it too. If you are a fan of Max or Sir Lewis or Leclerc or Piastri or anyone, just enjoy the season. We will get this season few times. So when the regulation changes, so keep your faith in your driver and enjoy. I'm hoping we will get the best race or good race tomorrow with lots of drama, fun, and I hope a few red flags or safety cars so that we will get more drama. It will add more drama into it. I also wanted to see Ferrari and McLaren fighting for that third place on the podium or some different surprises. We don't know what surprises Suzuka holds. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have something different views on today's qualifying and who are your podiums. Thank you. Bye bye.